Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and this lesson is about let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. Imagine you have a cat in a bag and then you let it come out. You show it to others, okay? This is said, this expression is used when we reveal a secret. Imagine a couple of us, we two, or a group of us, 2, 3, 10 people know about something, okay? And we just, in this town, in this city, in this world, there are two of us that knows what the secret is. Then one goes out and tells people, okay, reveals the secret and let others know. Then we use this one and say he or she or Mary or John or whoever the person is, let the cat out of the bag means revealed the secret. Let others know about it. Okay? So when we want to say that somebody informed others about something that was hidden, concealed, a secret, anything like this, let me say that person, such and such, Mr. Such and such, let the cat out of the bag means revealed the secret. Okay, so now let's look at these examples. It should be helpful. Okay, now that Viola had let the cat out of the bag, she had no option but to confess. Okay, there is a secret, there is something between Viola and another person or a couple of people, and then Viola had let the cat out of the bag. Means that Viola has revealed it, has told others about it. Okay? Now that she has done this, now that others also know what has happened, she had no option but to confess. Just she had one option, and that is to explain, to confess, to say what has happened, and say, okay, I was guilty, it was my fault, or it was us, we did this, then there's no option because the person has let the cat out of the bag. Means has revealed it, has told everyone about it. Alright, let's look at the second one. I was trying to keep the party a secret, but Mel went and let the cat out of the bag. Okay, there is a party. Let's say there is someone's birthday coming up, and you have arranged a birthday party, for example. That's a surprise. And we do not want anyone to know this. We are asking people to come over. We do not tell them that there is such a party or it's birthday or whatever. And even the person who is invited, whose party is, whose birthday is, it doesn't know about it. Okay, such a scenario, and we are arranging for that. We are inviting people, we are cooking, we are doing lots of things and keeping the party a secret. But Mel, one of the guys, one of the people that knows about this, went and goes and tells others about it, reveals it, and then everyone else also know. Mel tells somebody and somebody tells another somebody and that goes on, and everyone knows it. Now the cat is out of the bag. Everyone can see the secret, can understand what is going on. So this is not a secret anymore. So it is used when we want to say that someone revealed the secret. Okay, Mel did this time, Viola over here, and Bill has revealed it in a different way, not just spoken, this way. When Bill glanced at the door, he let the cat out of the bag. Without saying anything, you can also let the cat out of the bag. When Bill glanced at the door, he let the cat out of the bag. We knew then that he was expecting someone to arrive. Okay, someone is coming, someone is on the way, someone is expected to arrive, and that is not known to us. We don't know that, but Bill lets us know. Bill tells others that he is expecting someone. How? By glancing at the door. Looking at the door, checking the time and checking the phone or something like that. We know that, okay, someone is also coming. Okay? All in all, let the cat out of the bag is to reveal the secret, to tell others something that is not known to them. Let them know, especially accidentally, okay, by either talking to them or by doing something that lets others know. And yeah, that's it. It can be in a kind of criminal way, in a criminal situation, maybe someone has killed someone, and then the other one tells others, let the cat out of the bag. Maybe that's a good thing, like a secret party or whatever, anything else. So it is used in these areas. I hope this has been helpful. You have learned something from this video, from these examples, and if there are any questions, let me know by commenting them below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.